Essay on National Unity Day. Introduction. National Unity Day in India is observed every year on 31st October. The day seeks to promote nationalism and a feeling of unity among Indian citizens. The day was first celebrated in 2014 and is observed on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Why is National Unity Day observed? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, born on 31st October 1875, was a freedom fighter who became the first Deputy Prime Minister and the Home Minister of India after independence. Working in his capacity as the Home Minister of India, he was instrumental in agreeing 565 princely states to concede to the Union of India. He wasn't willing to compromise India's political unity and rubbished the idea of independent states within the Union. Due to the steely will, he was also called the Iron Man of India. When Narendra Modi was serving as the Chief Minister of Gujarat, he flagged off a project to construct a 182-meter statue of Sardar Patel. Subsequently, when he became the Prime Minister, the Home Ministry issued orders for celebrating National Unity Day in 2014. The day should be observed on the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel on 31st October. Observance. National Unity Day is observed throughout the nation with exceptional zeal and enthusiasm. Everywhere people pay tribute to the Iron Man of India and remembers his contribution to a politically integrated India. The day also holds special significance for the Indian administrative services as Sardar Patel was the man who introduced the modern All India Services System, formerly known as Indian Civil Services. Officers of the Indian Administrative Services gather in state secretariats and other relevant locations to pay their respect to the man remembered as the patron saint of India's civil servants. Significance. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India. He was the brain behind the political integration of India. Celebrating his birthday as the World Unity Day serves two significant purposes. Firstly, it is a befitting tribute to Sardar Patel, the Iron Man of India, and secondly, it reminds us of our integration and unity. It makes our resolve for a unified India stronger. Conclusion. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birthday is an occasion to remember his efforts for a united India and to honor his will and vision. He not only was a great freedom fighter, but also a great administrator who oversaw the division of India-Pakistan and also the political integration of India.